1, 5, 5, 7, 9, 5. Now you wait a couple seconds, and as you can see, the machine is not opened. It is closed. See down here, nothing in there. I've got 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. You start, put the money in there. 25, 50, and as you see, they're dropping down in here. 50, 75, and $1. So now you go down here, 4 quarters. Now put those 4 in there again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now at the end, take your money out. 4 quarters. Now pick your snack. I'm gonna pick B6. There's B6. Down goes the snack.
Just gotta get it folded right. Where's it going in? Okay, it might glitch and say that there's only 5, or I mean, it'll say that there's 5, or it'll say welcome. If you just hit the change button. Okay, right there. It's going up. $5 in credit. It's blinking orange though. Just hit the change button. Alright. I'm just gonna leave it in there because I actually want to get something. And I want when it gives you all your change and everything, you just pull this out. Lights are gonna flash red, and it's gonna keep trying to suck the money in. But, and then the lights are back green.
3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Now I need to press and hold this for 10 seconds. Johnny, get ready.
Alright, so you're telling me some change, I'm waiting, Tommy, I'm waiting. Hey, what the heck? $2, $3? Dude, there's change coming out of this. This is sick. This is epic, man. Dude, how much? How much is gonna come out? Dude, I don't know, that's like, I don't even know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Dude.
We're here at a different vending machine. We're going to show you that these kind of hacks can be done on any vending machine. It doesn't matter what kind. The important thing to know is that they're just going to be different. The way these are handled is different. Different computers, different buttons, and that's what's important to know. On this machine, we're going to show you how to get a drink for pretty much free. Actually, it is free. You're going to trick the machine thinking that it has the money in there, that it's going to receive it, but really you're going to get all your money back. This kind of thing operates off of what's called a VMAC code. That's an acronym that stands for Vending Machine Master Access Code. The internals of this machine operate on a set program, and this one's from the Pepsi Corporation, so it's whatever they set it to, but fortunately we have the ability to do that right here. We know what it is. What you're going to want to do is you're going to start by entering your money. So each soda here costs $1.50, so I'm going to go ahead and enter that now. Okay, our money's been entered. The way it works is it works off of a sequence. So the machine's internals are actually operated on the first 4 buttons here. Think of it this way. Selection 1 is number 1, selection 2 is number 2, and so on and so forth. The code itself operates like this. You start with 4, then 2, then 3, then 1. You want to run through this 2 times. So we're going to do that right now. We go 4, 2, 3, 1. Then for the second time, 4, 2, 3, 1. At this point, you're ready to go. You're going to want to make your selection. We're going to select Mountain Dew. Hit the button. Come down here, it's been vended, and there you have it, a free soda. What's important now is you want to hit the coin return before the computer resets. As you can hear, your money's coming back out, all $1.50 of it. Just for a little visual for the cameras, you can see that we've got all our money back. All $1.50. Feel free to count it if you want, but it's all there. And that is how you hack a Pepsi vending machine. Hey guys, we're back yet again at a different vending machine. What you're going to notice here with this one is that it's operating on the same keypad system that one of our previous machines did. So we're going to use the same star pound VMAC code on this one. It's just like the old machine, so it's pretty much going to be the same hack. So what we're going to do is, once again, you're going to get all your money back doing this, but we're going to get a different item and it's a different machine. So, for example, I want the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I don't know why Cinnamon Toast Crunch sucks, but we're going to get it. So what you're going to want to do is we're going to come to the machine and you're going to want to enter your money. So it's $1. So I've entered my $1. Then you're going to want to run through the sequence, which is star, star, pound, star, pound, star, pound. So here we go. Once we've done that, we're going to want to enter our item, which is F4. Okay, and at this moment, you can see that we're getting all of our money back. Got $1 in my hand of quarters and a free Cinnamon Toast Crunch.